Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jasmine, aka Jazz Dash, and today we will be budgeting our paycheck 3 of April. So I'm kind of sad April's over, but it's my first month of completion for my cash stuffing. Since I am a baby budgeter, this is my first actual month that I have fully funded, and I am pretty excited. And I will be doing a sinking funds, I guess you could say, like, update to see exactly how much I've saved over April and the last paycheck of March. So we will see exactly what I have done so far. I'm pretty excited about it. But yeah, let's get into this budgeting. So I did want to share with you guys that I actually have my budget. I have a budget spreadsheet, so I kind of allocate all my funds that way, and then I plug them into here. But as you guys know, I do only budget for $970 because that is what I normally get for my regular paychecks. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to, let's see, okay, so for our estimated, let's zoom you guys in just a little bit more. Our estimated is $970. Let's turn you. The rollover, so far I believe my rollover is 1018, but I'm not 100% sure on that. So when I look at my bank account and get everything correct, then that's what I'll put in my actual. But I believe it's 1018, but you never know. Unbudgeted is nothing, so total would be 980.18. So for our fixed expenses, all I have is my car note, and don't mind the handwriting, it's 1043 as you can see. And the only time I really can do my videos is when I get off of work, because in the morning I have to get like my sister ready for school, my brother, he has to go to school, and then I have to be to work at 1 o'clock. So I can only get my videos done at night. So just be aware, and if I start stuttering or my words just get messed up, like, it's nighttime, honey. I'm tired, but I gotta get these videos out, so we gonna do what it do and we gonna make it work. But we also have my car insurance for next month, because this paycheck, it's really for trying to get ahead, but my car note is not ahead. I'm just trying to get it fully funded so I can pay it off. And then a little bit of my cell phone bill. And then we also have cable, get that out the way, and half of Vive as usual. So that's what we have. So the amounts are $197 for my car notes. Car insurance is $150. Cell phone bill is $32. Cable is $50, and Vive is $106.50. So if we put that in the calculator, we have 197, 50, 32, 50, 106, 50. So down here for our total fixed expenses would be $535.50. And our total income is $980.18. Okay, and then our variable expenses, which is our cash envelopes, we have gas, food, spending, medical, shoes, Christmas. And like I told you guys before, my envelopes are not in order because my cash envelopes are split between short-term and full-term. But this is just easier for me to keep it how I've been doing it. So yeah, travel, home, gaming, subs, beauty, savings, extra, and emergency. All right, so I think I am going to take money from food and put it somewhere else, but I'm not too sure exactly what I want to do just yet, so I'm gonna leave it as how I normally do it, and then for my actual column, everything will be switched around once I get everything figured out exactly how I want it to be. So with that being said, for gas, we're actually not budgeting anything because I shouldn't have to pay until the next time we get paid, and then I'll have money for gas. So I'm not putting nothing in gas for this week. Food I have is $40, and then spending is $40, medical is $5, shoes is $20, Christmas is $25, car is $30. I do need to get my car detailed, so I think depending on how much money I have saved up so far, I might give it to my dad and tell him to go get my car detailed for me, because it needs to happen like ASAP. Travel is getting $75, home is getting $40, gaming is $5, subscriptions is getting $10, beauty is getting $15, savings will be getting $20, extra is, I'm not budgeting for it, even though I know it's gonna get money, but since I'm only budgeting for $980, I'm not worried about it right now. And then emergency will be getting $60, if I'm not mistaken. $60. Okay, so let's add that up real quick. So for our total variable expenses, it's $385. So our total left, that's what I'm doing it as, is what I should have left. So $980.18 minus $535.50 minus $385 is $59.68. I hope everything is added up right. I know that's added up right. Let me do these again real quick. Yeah, everything's added up right. Well, if we have 59 left, if that is 100% accurate, we will add something else, because I really want to get this Discover paid off. So my dad should be giving me $200 this month, or at the end of this month. So we're gonna put this as 45, and we're going to do 59.68 minus 45, which will then be 14.68, and this will change. So 197, 150, 32.50. So that would be 585. So, yeah. So that's the one thing I like about budgeting and doing the cash envelopes and stuff like that, is that once you put all your money in there, you could switch it up how you want it to look and how you want it to go, and everything doesn't have to be perfect. You're gonna make some mistakes, and that's just life. Everything happens for a reason. So, well, I hope everything works out the way that I expect it to work out. Even if like I have to switch Discover to like another credit card, at least it'll still be budgeted for $45, so nothing is going to change. But when I do my actuals, I might change it from Discover to something else. I'm not too sure. But if I have extra money, then I'll just add that extra credit card on there. But we'll see what happens. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.